nostalgic journey down memory lane. Morant been in the 1980s, 82, 83. From Berlin to Moonbase out of Springfield, the location of Jamaica Goodyear Tire Factory. Remember when the county used to plant flowers out a roundabout in front of Mapen Cemetery? We used to travel from Morant to Church Corner just by Patty out of Miss Bibsy. Play pinball, defender, Pac-Man, Donkey Kong game down at Chichi. Remember when we used to line up for hours just to make a telephone call over a telephone company? Those days, Rudolph Elder Park had a fountain, turtle, swing, seesaw, and a merry-go-round near the sea. Now, where the item there who used to buy pork and cheese on a duke. Stop and all a reason with my brethren Teddy and his father, Mr. Morant at the printry. The man share a strong resemblance with one of our national heroes. No, not Paul Bogle, but Marcus Garvey. We used to go to be a primary school when the head was Mr. Lewis or Mrs. Bartley. Buy snow cone over Mr. Bennett's shop in front of the post office or custard cream biscuit from Miss Maggie. Butter selling some of the wickedest shoes, Booger, aka Converse, Gentlemen, Lofters, and Hush Puppy. Remember Mrs. Banner, my friend Ivan and Wrigley from out of St.Thomas Parish Library. Remember Dr. Castle and Dr. Llewellyn, in the place they control the first chemist or pharmacy. Who know when my friend Hillary got her first job at Scotiabank Building Society? We used to buy Anbon and Marlow or goods over Jenjen Abadashre. Weekend time round at Stoney, watching some of the latest blockbuster movie. Die Hard, Rambo, The Terminator, Beverly Hills Cops, and Coming to America featuring Eddie Murphy. Or even Robbie's with Mark Blackburn if you have a girl and a lot of money to buy Appleton and Pepsi. Sunday night time a Kitchen King, Roadblock, ice cream sell-off like Fuckery. Lyson Road, Dr. Lampard Surgery and Chef Seaview Restaurant in front of my brethren Wally. Who can forget when Spencer them and make them year-to-year party? In the corner with Touch of Class sound, featuring the bad selector Wayne McKenzie. Black Door Bar out at Dumfries Crossing, owned by Mr. Bailey. Everybody supposed to know Princess Margaret Hospital, Lyson Beach, and Sterling Bakery. Remember Miami Club back in the days rebranded as Nice and Easy with some big sound, 0.5 disco, Aces, Lee's Unlimited, Mellow Construction, and King Majesty. Marby at the time had 9 fucking churches, including 1 Salvation Army. The most notorious of which was on the Wharf Road, the one ministered by Brother Kushney. Rumors had it that this minister had about 3 extramarital affairs, committing serious cases of adultery. Remember when Reverend Saunders got locked out of his Baptist church, sparking a state of anarchy? Who would believe that the church member would behave so ungodly, so nasty towards a member of the clergy? Anyway, where were you when they unveiled Paul Bogle's statue to the community? Remember when the Alton Phillips house behind the fire station got burned down? Pitch pint burned like crazy. Remember Mr. Fid, Mr. Wignall, ferrying people from Morant Bay to Lyson and back running taxi. Remember the legendary Mr. Todd, Hector Francis, Concy, Boozy, or even dressmaker Jackie. Bob Grasset, the shoemaker, the only shoemaker in a Morant Bay with X amount of machinery. What about the bad football side, Real Morant with Cheetah Kojo and head coach Sammy? Methodist Church band with lead singer Carl Balliston, Morgan Bass and drums featuring Barrington Kelly. Remember the Slickers, Winston Bailey, Roy Beckford and Mousy. Remember Stitch and Scarcher, Morant Bay crime fighting duo, keeping the parish crime free. Personally, the town itself has indeed come a long way from those days economically. More people buying and selling, simply trying to make a living, indulging in enough commercial activity. Nevertheless, vast amount of improvement still needed by authorities or other organizations officially. The condition of some building, local road, gutters or drainage system could do with a lot of TLC. The impact is even bigger with larger vehicles and more traffic. The situation will only worsen, unfortunately. I am so aware that everything is intrinsically linked to money and each political party will promise delivery. But the true fact of the matter is you'll be extremely lucky to witness any improvement ultimately. In concluding, big up the man who lock the road at night time, run upon the wall of Cotton Tree. Man them from in the Bay, Stanton Road, man them from Upper Highbury. Pay, Run, Donkey Man, Mooney and Rumbelly. Rita, Munchie, Afrobeat, Sherpa, James, Blackie, Nanji, Versel and Botte. Melan, R.I.P. Bobby Brown, Java, Phil, Uskudu, Richie, Scotty, Cuz and Livy. Big up some of my lady friend likewise. Beth, Vivian, Paulette, Jeannie and hairdresser Open. Velma, Donna from Outer Lights Road. Ivan, Dan, Marjorie, Mitchie, Sona Levy and Marlene Murray.